Best Ninja Gadgets to Buy. Welcome to our video on the best ninja gadgets to buy. Whether you're an aspiring ninja looking to hone your skills or simply a fan of the art form, these gadgets will elevate your ninja game to the next level. From throwing stars and blowguns to specialized knives and tools, we've scoured the internet to bring you the best of the best. Let's get started. Number 10. Night Watchman Thumper. Get ready to unleash your inner ninja with the amazing Night Watchman Thumper gadget. This state-of-the-art device is designed to make you an unstoppable force with its incredible features. Equipped with cutting-edge night vision goggles, grappling hooks for scaling walls effortlessly, and a powerful blowgun that can take down enemies from a distance, the Night Watchman Thumper has it all. Its sleek design and top-notch functionality make it a must-have for any aspiring ninja, and you can easily purchase it on Amazon and AliExpress. Whether you're a spy, thrill seeker, or just looking to add some excitement to your life, the Night Watchman Thumper is the ultimate tool for taking your ninja skills to the next level. Don't wait any longer to embark on your ninja journey like never before. Get your Night Watchman Thumper today. Number 9. Night Watchman Warhammer. Upgrade your ninja skills with the incredible Night Watchman Warhammer. This cutting-edge gadget is the ultimate tool for transforming you into a stealthy warrior. Its sleek design and state-of-the-art technology make it an unstoppable force. The Night Watchman Warhammer is packed with amazing features, from hidden blades and grappling hooks to smoke bombs and throwing stars, allowing you to tackle any mission with ease. Whether you're defending your home or infiltrating enemy territory, the Night Watchman Warhammer has got you covered. Don't miss out on the chance to become a true ninja master. Get your Night Watchman Warhammer today on Amazon and AliExpress. Embark on an epic adventure and unleash your inner ninja with this must-have gadget. Number 8. Blade MC1026 Big MC. Looking for a reliable and masterfully collectible knife? Look no further than the MC1026 Big MC. This high-quality knife is made from durable materials and features a 3CR13 black oxidized stainless steel blade that provides excellent balance between hardness and corrosion resistance. Its custom design showcases a passion for artistic knife designs, making it a standout addition to any collection. Plus, it's dependable and provides consistent razor-sharp cutting performance and high durability. This versatile knife is perfect for a wide range of activities, including camping, hiking, backpacking, hunting and fishing, military and tactical needs, DIY projects, survival, self-defense, and emergencies. With a 2.00-inch fine-edge blade and a 5.50-inch overall length, the MC1026 Big MC is a must-have tool for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish knife. Number 7. Riddick Saber Claws. Unlock your inner ninja with the Chronicles of Riddick Saber Claws. These deadly and stylish gadgets provide unrivaled agility and precision in every strike, making them a must-have for any aspiring ninja. Their advanced technology and cutting-edge design make them perfect for any stealthy warrior, featuring state-of-the-art blades that can cut through even the toughest materials. Whether you're a martial artist, cosplayer, or just looking to level up your ninja skills, the Saber Claws are the ultimate tool for combat situations. Available on Amazon and AliExpress, don't miss out on the chance to become the ultimate ninja. Embrace the way of the shadow and get your Chronicles of Riddick Saber Claws today. If you find it interesting, why not leave a comment with a heart or an icon as a thank you for our video? Do you like these types of tech gadgets? Why not leave a Tim emoji and a comments of thanks below? Number 6. Coil Accelerator. Unleash your inner ninja with the cutting-edge Coil Accelerator K09. This sleek and powerful gadget is packed with amazing features that will make you feel like a true ninja warrior. With its advanced technology and impressive design, the K09 is the ultimate tool for mastering the art of stealth. Equipped with a range of tools, including a grappling hook launcher, a smoke bomb dispenser, and a precision throwing star launcher, the K09 gives you everything you need to navigate any situation like a pro. Whether you're sneaking through the shadows or facing off against enemies, the K09 is the key to ninja excellence. You can get your hands on this incredible gadget on Amazon and AliExpress. Don't wait, order your Coil Accelerator K09 today and become the ultimate ninja. Number 5. 357 Magnum Blowgun Spear Darts. Looking for a powerful and accurate blowgun for your sporting needs? Check out the 357 Magnum Blowgun Spear Darts. These high-quality darts are designed to work with the 357 Magnum blowgun and provide exceptional precision and power. The package dimensions are 1.2 centimeters in length, 8.0 centimeters in width, and 24.0 centimeters in height, making them easy to store and transport. Perfect for target shooting, hunting, or other outdoor activities, these darts are a reliable and effective choice for any sports enthusiast. So if you're looking for a top-notch sporting good that will help take your game to the next level, don't hesitate to give the 357 Magnum Blowgun Spear Darts a try. Number 4. Ninja Stars. Looking to unleash your inner ninja? Look no further than the Shuriken Throwing Stars. These sleek and deadly throwing stars are the perfect addition to any aspiring stealth warrior's arsenal, allowing you to strike with precision and speed. Made with durable construction and razor-sharp edges, these shurikens are built to impress. But that's not all. Some models come with added features like built-in LED lights for extra flare or collapsible blades for easy storage and transport. Whether you're a martial arts enthusiast, cosplay aficionado, or just looking to level up your ninja skills, these throwing stars are a must-have gadget. With options available on Amazon and AliExpress, you can easily get your hands on these ninja essentials. Elevate your ninja game to the next level and get your shuriken throwing stars today. Are you finding the video valuable so far? If yes, then consider hitting the like and subscribe button as it motivates us to keep bringing you amazing content. Don't leave the screen, you will miss out on what comes next. Number 3. Ninja K30020 Foodi. Introducing the Ninja K30020 Foodi, the ultimate kitchen companion for all your chopping and slicing needs. With premium blades forged from German stainless steel, you can trust that this knife is rust-resistant and durable enough to handle any kitchen task. The superior sharp edge allows for precise cuts through even the toughest ingredients, making chopping and slicing a breeze. Plus, the ergonomic handle is chef-approved and wear-resistant, providing comfort even during all-day food prep sessions. This 8-chef knife is versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks such as slicing, chopping, mincing, and dicing. With its perfectly balanced design and premium half bolster, this knife feels like an extension of your hand and allows for easy professional pinch grip control. Number 2. Rubie's JLA Batman Bangerangs. Unleash your inner superhero with Rubie's JLA Batman Batarangs. These bat-shaped costume accessories are made from 100% polyester and are the perfect addition to any Justice League costume. Measuring at 6.5 x 2.5 x 25 inches each, these officially licensed batarangs are designed to be spot-cleaned as needed. Only items sold and shipped by Amazon can be guaranteed authentic, as it is a trademark of DC Comics. Please note that these batarangs are costume accessories and not intended for use as a toy or weapon. Rubie's offers a wide range of classic and licensed costumes, accessories, and decor items in sizes and styles for the entire family, so you can bring your favorite superhero to life in style. Number 1. Jitte Non-Bladed Batons. During the time when ninjas were most active, no one was allowed to carry weapons into the shogun's palace. This rule applied to guards as well, and they carried non-bladed batons called jitte instead. The jitte had a 2-inch prong with a hook called the kuseji that could be used to catch and trap a drawn blade, or to attack an opponent's weak joints. The ninja recognized the potential of the jitte and modified it to suit their fighting style. It's important to note that the way of the ninja was condemned by the samurai, who valued honor above all else. The handle of a ninja's jitte could detach to reveal a stiletto, catching their victims off guard. This unexpected hidden blade was a testament to the ninja's cunning and ingenuity,